What if the strongest navy in the world attacked a narrow strait and lost everything in a single day? March 18, 1915. The British and French fleets believed they would break through the Dardanelles and capture Istanbul within hours, but the strait had a secret waiting beneath the water. In 1914, World War I had engulfed Europe. The Ottoman Empire joined the war alongside Germany. For Britain and France, defeating the Ottomans became a strategic priority. Their plan was bold: force the Dardanelles, capture Istanbul, and remove the Ottoman Empire from the war. The Dardanelles was one of the most important waterways in the world. If the Allies controlled it, they could open a sea route to Russia and resupply their eastern ally. But the strait was narrow, dangerous, and heavily defended. On March 18, 1915, a massive fleet entered the strait. 16 powerful battleships supported by cruisers and destroyers. Some of the strongest warships ever built. They believed Ottoman defenses would collapse quickly. Along the shore stood Ottoman coastal forts armed with heavy artillery. But their most deadly weapon was invisible: naval mines hidden beneath the dark waters of the strait. The night before the battle, a small Ottoman mine layer named Nusret carried out a dangerous mission. Under the cover of darkness, the ship quietly placed a new line of mines across the path where enemy ships would maneuver. The Allies never noticed. As the French battleship Bouvet advanced into the strait, it struck one of the hidden mines. A massive explosion tore through the hull. Within minutes, the giant battleship capsized and sank. Confusion spread across the Allied fleet. Ships tried to maneuver to avoid the mines, but the trap had already been set. The British battleships Irresistible and Ocean soon struck mines as well. Both ships were destroyed. Within hours, the Allied fleet had suffered catastrophic losses. The commanders of the Allied fleet realized the truth. The Dardanelles could not be forced by naval power alone. The fleet retreated. The failure of the naval attack forced the Allies to launch the Gallipoli land campaign months later. One of the most brutal campaigns of World War I had begun. But on March 18, 1915, the world learned something unexpected. The strongest navy in the world had been stopped by strategy, courage, and one small ship, Çanakkale Geçilmez. Sometimes history changes because of a single decision made in the dark of night.